Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today I am going to unbox Hot Wheels Hot Trucks Mighty K. So this is how the packaging looks. So this is the truck. This truck is available in different variants like white, pink and red. I didn't see other variants, but I got the red one, so got this. This red looks very beautiful when compared with white and pink. You can see the name here, Mighty K Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, written on the back of the packet. Let us open this box and see how does this look from inside. So you can see this beautiful red color truck, mini truck. So this kind of truck we also have in India. It is called Chota Hathi, which means mini elephant. This kind of truck is called mini elephant in India because this has capability and power like small elephant. So this is called mini elephant. So here you can see the truck. This is fully red design. Front lights are transparent glasses or transparent plastic. You can see it's got black bumper, then plastic tires, very tiny tires with metallic mac wheels. Then bottom is grayish color. You can see the Hot Wheels logo in this. This is plastic and top body is metallic. Glasses are transparent, so you can see they have given glass in front, left, right and back as well. So this has some extra tires given in the back. You can see that extra tire, and there is also a skateboard kept. Also there are some containers, or you can say a can with the tire. Here they have written International Racing Course Raila Circuit. So hope I am pronouncing right. It's Raila Circuit CA. So here you can see, and here some Japanese or Chinese words. So let me know in comment what they have written in Japanese or Chinese. So back is also metallic. I like this mini truck very much. Let me know in the comments if you like this one. Hope you like today's unboxing video of this mini truck. So if you like the video, do share, subscribe. See you in the next unboxing video. Bye.